Alright guys, we're back here again tonight. Got the Montero Sport, working on the timing belt here. Got everything set. Everything's at top dead center. Got the tension set. All we have to do now is have Daxton pull out the grenade pin for us. Okay, ready buddy?
Yeah. You're gonna have to hold me a little.
Okay, he got it. That's how it should be. It should just slide right out like that. You could be able to put it back in and do it as many times as you want to. That's how you know that your tension is set perfectly on these hydraulic tensioners, right?
Yeah. We pulled out the grenade pin as fast as we could so we can get it driving on the road.
That's right. We're gonna get the Mitsubishi Montero Sport. This is a 3.5 liter 6074. I'm gonna tell you right now that the timing job with the timing belt and water pump, oil seals, everything, you want to get all OEM stuff. I highly recommend ordering stuff from Overland. That is the place to go for the Montero Sports. He is the Montero Sport specialist. So anyway, it includes all of the instructions that you would need and all of the parts that you could possibly need. Just make sure that you know what you're going to be replacing and order it from them, and it's going to be good. I mean, it's all OEM stuff. It's what's on here from the factory, so that way you know you're not going to get any premature failures or anything like that. So now we're just gonna put it back together and get it back on the road, right bud?
Yeah.
All right.